before you say anything, let me explain. I typed in weird food cooking. You obviously in a search bar here. And why did this catch my eye? It's cow coochie. Not only is cow coochie, it's sweet and sour. Not sweet and savory. Not sweet and tangy. Not sweet and hot. Not sour and pickly. Not sour and zesty. Sweet and sour. This is a cow cooch. Here's to only cow stick, the male cow stick that you know what in this. And they enjoy it. But hey, do I? No. I would never try this. This makes me shake my stomach. Look at it. Look at it. Oh God, he's playing with it. Rare. The comments say. I just want to know who exactly woke up one day and decided to eat this part of a cow. Facts. I was thinking the same thing. I'm just done with Asian food from now on. People who brought coronavirus. Those Scottish people. I wake up and eat them, but not the cows. But not. Oh, I think it's. Is it raining? Oh, I could have get the rest of my life without knowing this is some sort of delicacy. Okay. Get in there. Creamy. Gripping it, playing with it. Not 1, 2, 4, 6. Take that much more coffee. This is 1. Get him. That's it. He's in there. Okay, buddy. Let's get to the cooking part. Where's the season at? I'm getting water. Look at him. He want to just stick his whole meat, his little wee wee in there. He's like, damn, this a fat pussy. Yo, he want to stick it in there. That is crazy. Yeah, line like so.
Nhìn có vẻ trắng trắng đấy. Đặt ở những cái bọn mà nó bán bói. Ở đâu có? Đặt ở những cái bọn mà nó bán bói. Thế á? Chúng ta phẳng đấy. Dạ. Có, làm sao nó làm kỹ này được không?
Vạch đôi ra.
Bánh như thế.
Just cook the darn thing. Strawberries. Nah, this is what it looked like when he going through his once a month, once a week. Situation. Oh, those are the blood drops.
Nó là cái gì hả? Thu hả?
Coconut water. Coconut seed. straight into a nice bowl. What is that? What kind of food is that?
Mềm nhũn luôn.
Rolling bowl. Quarter cow coochie. Bust open, get it nice and firm and tight.
Thấy chưa?
Strawberry flavor. I think that's how some girls think they coochie smells. How do I know? I know. Chilies and one thing, garlic.
Thôi. Bạn thấy không?
For the finger, chop it up with some
Đợi cắt ra
tacos.
thôi.
Cut it down in the middle. This thing big. I'm just counting the lot. I don't got nothing.
Rất
Juicy,
ngon.
tender. I don't like ham.
Ngon. Người ta xem miếng đây.
It could have been longer. I just didn't want to see that. I picked it because, you know, it caught my eye. And I would never watch that shit again. I would never do that. Cut it. That shit nasty, bro. You eating cow coochie. That's all I got for today. Hope y'all like and subscribe and post notifications and enjoy. I mean, don't eat this. Oh, let's try it on our own risk.